Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial. So this is going to be about the shift array method, and basically the shift array method is just the opposite of the pop array method we just looked at in the previous video. And basically what it does is that it removes the first item in an array, okay, and then it can also return that item that was removed, or that element that was removed. So let's go ahead and do const, and I'm just going to say shift, and I'll set it to be equals to fruit dot shift. Okay, and that's it. So let's go ahead and console.log let's console.log fruit first, and then I'll just console.log shift. Okay, so let me quickly note that I'm not using shift here because I'm working with the shift method. It's just a variable name that I just feel it's comfortable and easy for me to use. All right, so I will run this code and as you can see, we have the array, but the banana has been popped out. Okay, so it starts from orange, and then for the second one we have the element itself, or the item that was actually popped out, in this case banana. So that's how the shift array method works. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, and leave a like on the video. All right, see you later.